Okay, so we're going to continue looking at similarity in right triangles. So we've already created a tab for this, so go to similarity in right triangles. We're going to do example 3 and 4 at the bottom of the page. If you don't have any space, stick a paper and fold it in. Okay, so pause the videos, copy the examples down. So you're going to separate the triangles. This time they're going to be 3. There's the big one, okay, the one on the outside. This is a listening check. Color in this triangle we are drawing right now. And that is 100 on that side, and then there's a 90-degree angle there. There's the middle one, or the medium one, which is the one kind of in the middle on the left. And then there's an X there and a 90-degree angle. Use the info to actually find out what that length is right there. If the whole thing is 100 and that little piece is 36, what is that little piece left? So let me write down what I'm showing you. If the whole thing is 100 and a little piece of it is 36, what's the rest of it? So 100 minus 36 will give me the rest of it, which is 64, because 64 plus 36 is 100. So that little piece, one of the legs, is 64. Then there's a small one on the right hand side. So it looks like this, and that length is 36. And then there's X on the side. Alright, so now I'm going to draw them. It's very important that you draw them that they look exactly the same, that the 90-degree angle is exactly in the same place. So you see I'm going to draw the exact same shape in a small, medium, and large, or rather a large, medium, and small. And I'm going to turn these triangles to make it look like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my man, right? So your man, he pees on the hypotenuse, and then he has a short leg and a long leg. So if you look at that X there, that's going to be the short leg, and then the other one is going to be the long leg, because remember his package is in the middle, right? Alright, for the little triangle, 36 is going to be short leg and X is going to be his long leg. So it's just really important that you identify where the short and long legs are. And now we're going to put them into the red triangles that we drew, all looking the same. So X right there, short leg, and then his long leg is 64. And then on the small one, his short leg is 36 and his long leg is X. Now when you have this, we're going to set up the proportion. You need 2 pieces of information in each triangle. These 2 triangles have that, so those are the ones I'm going to use. You can do side to side or figure to figure. I'm just going to do, let's do X with 64. Goes with in the same order on the other one, 36 with X. Then same as before, cross multiply and solve. So let's cross multiply. You're going to get X times X, which is X squared. 64 times 36, which is 2304. And then how do you get X by itself? You take the square root. Take the square root of both sides, and you're going to get X is equal to 48. This is a listening check. Color in the number 9 in the top triangle. Big one, and that's going to be 15. And then this hypotenuse is 9 plus Y, because it's the whole thing. Then there's the middle one, which is on the right hand side, and that's going to be Y, and there's nothing else. And then there's a small little one, and that's going to be 15 on the hypotenuse and 9 on one of the short legs. Okay, so again, we're going to draw 3 triangles, or rather, let's label our short and long legs so that we know. Can you see my man? Okay, he has a short leg and a long leg. So that's the short leg, that's the long leg. And then P's on the hypotenuse. P's on the hypotenuse, short leg, long leg, short leg, long leg, and P's on the hypotenuse. Now I'm going to draw 3 triangles that look exactly the same. So I'm going to draw it just like the large one, and in a large, medium, and small. Right, then I'm going to organize it. So the large one is already organized, so it's going to be 15, and the hypotenuse is just 9 plus Y. My medium, I have to look for my short leg, which is not labeled anything, it's blank. My long leg is Y, and then there's nothing there. There's not P on anything. My short leg is 9. My hypotenuse is 15, because that's where he pees, and there's nothing on my long leg. So again, look for the triangle with 2 items and set it up. So we can go 15 goes with the listening check. Put a box around example 4. We can do figure to figure, I guess. 15 goes with 9, and 9 plus Y goes with 15. So 15 over 9, and 9 plus Y goes with the other 15. Cross multiply and divide. So you're going to get 15 times 15, which is 225. And then you're going to get 9 times the parentheses. And very important that you put parentheses, because it's everything in the parentheses multiplied by 9. So let's go ahead and get in the house. You can draw a river. Get in the house. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times Y is 9Y. Then what do we need to do? We can subtract 81 from both sides. We'll get 144 is 9Y. Divide by 9, and you'll get Y is equal to 16. So that's really all there is to it. The biggest thing is to draw the 3 triangles, put them, make them the same, identify short leg, long leg, and hypotenuse. Let's practice.